Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some really fun goodies to share with you. They're all from Dress Up Your Purse, which I am a huge fan of. If you're not familiar with Dress Up Your Purse, it is owned by a lovely gal named Melody. You can see her name up there. She hand wrote a lovely note to me as she shipped these out. She's so sweet. She's a mom. She's a small business owner. She is like an artist in my opinion because she's so creative and so talented in the products that she makes, and they're all affordably priced, amazingly priced, I would say. And I was a customer at first. I was a loyal customer at first. I actually saw this product here. This is the wideband crossbody strap that I often wore with my pochette accessoire. And I saw this on a friend on Instagram and I was like, where did you get that? So I immediately ordered it that day. And then I've been wearing this for a long time, like a long time. It's so comfortable and it's one of my most worn combinations. And then I started picking up some other products, and then Melody came out with this newer updated version. So I got this pretty recently. It's very similar. It is also this cotton crossbody strap that's adjustable, but a little bit of a difference down here. And it's got the matching vachetta for my pochette accessoire. So now I've been wearing this like pretty much all the time. So yeah, and then Melody was kind enough to invite me to become an affiliate partner. And so I gladly agreed because I totally believe in her products and her company. And what that means is that when you use my promo code, which I always leave in the description box below, you get a percentage off. So you get a discount on your order. And I also receive a small commission for supporting Melody's business. So it's kind of a win-win all around. I wanted to show you this one because I haven't had a chance yet. I saw this on Instagram on Melody's feed, which would be at Dress Up Your Purse. And oh my gosh, I was like, this looks so fun and so cool. So it's this really chunky gold chain. It's quite weighty, I will say. So it's not like that cheap plasticky feel. It's definitely quite hefty, and it feels like a chain for sure. So she has two lengths, I believe, and I got the 50 centimeter so that I can wear this on my shoulder. It's long enough to wear on my shoulder and it looks super cute, super fun, really edgy. So I wanted to show you that. I never had a chance to share that on my channel. And then I got these new goodies today, so definitely had to share with you. So for those of you who remember, I recently parted with my gorgeous Chanel rainbow wallet on chain. So my rainbow walk, which was my unicorn stunner, I let her go. I sold her to a lovely subby who is enjoying her and is probably treating her much better than I was, because I just stuck her in the closet and was only gawking at her and never really took her out. I never actually wore her. So anyway, I feel like since my rainbow walk is gone, I need like a pop of color and something fun just to have that cheer again. And the Dream collection from Dress Up Your Purse is so similar, of course at a fraction of the price. So similar. Believe it or not, this is made out of lambskin. All of this is lambskin. Obviously it's treated to have this beautiful iridescent rainbowy effect, so it's very durable, but it feels so smooth and so like I don't know, it has like this sheen to it and it feels so nice to the touch. So this is the larger envelope clutch. It reminds me so much of the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set. So Melody sent me this one, and then ta-da, it's definitely like a nesting set. So here you have the beautiful gold interior, kind of has like a Saffiano leather vibe to it, but again, this is all lambskin. And then you open it up, and then this is the medium size one. So look how pretty. Look at the colors. And so there's a brand new set that came out and it's in the iridescent white. It's so gorgeous. It looks so much more expensive than it is, and it looks so classy, and it kind of gives me like wedding vibes. It looks so nice. This is more like fun, colorful, and the iridescent white is very just chic and classy. So here is the interior of the middle one. And then this one is not new. I've had this for a long time. I grabbed this a while ago. This is the smallest one, and I use this for my cards. You probably have seen me feature this many times. It also comes with a keyring attached, which is super convenient if, you know, you want to put your keys on here. Okay. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, if you were wondering. I just really love to support Dress Up Your Purse because her products are so amazing. So this one is really cool because it can be used as a clutch. Okay, so it's got this little ring here as well as here. And then check this out. So this chain also, and I've talked about the chains from Dress Up Your Purse before. So this one is like the lightest. It's like small and dainty and light, but good quality. Okay. So this one you can actually clip onto here. Oh, this is so fun. I feel like I'm playing dress up. I guess that's why it's called Dress Up Your Purse. Good name. So yeah, I feel like a 12-year-old. Like I'm just playing around and having so much fun, not taking anything seriously. So if you clip this on, this turns into a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I wonder if you could also, you probably have seen me do this on my pochette accessoire as well. I wonder if you could just like double, triple it. This part here, I'd have to play around with it. But oh my gosh, it's so fun. I want to see what fits in here. So let me take my phone case. That was easy. Get my key pouch. Let's take a card holder. And my lotion. I have my lotion with me everywhere now because it's so dry out. It's so cold here. I wonder if I should put it like this. Yeah, that stands up. And definitely want a lipstick. Just kind of playing around with it. Oh my gosh, you could totally fit all of your essentials and it's still super light. And there's like no bulging and it looks super chic because of like that clean envelope structure and shape to it. And then there's also this pretty little star charm if you wanted to dress that part up. So let me see. I actually have a few of these and my kids, we decorated our Christmas tree over the holidays last year with these stars. I don't think I even told Melody that, but they're so fun. So look at that. You can add that. How cute is that? And then there's also a wristlet. So matching from the Dream collection, this mermaid iridescent wristlet. I could even use it on my pochette here, right? If I mean, this is too much. I would take the gold chain off, but you can mix and match. You can use it on different pouches. I have a feeling that when my daughter sees these, she's going to fight me for them. She's going to want to keep. I don't know. As I get older, I feel like my tastes are morphing into her tastes. Like I'm wanting to have more fun and just be more playful. So she's really loving this stuff too. So I wanted to show you the chain. And let me also measure for you the dimensions. They're probably on the website, but just in case. So the larger one here is going to be about 9 inches in length. And then this one is about a little over 6 inches in height. And then of course the side is quite narrow. And then let's see the middle size, the medium size. This one's going to be about 6 inches in length. And let's see here, about 4.5 inches in height. Oh, where's my mini? You've seen my mini before. Let's just measure this one too. It's perfect as a card holder, like a little mini pouch. 4 inches in length, 3 inches in height. So there you have it, and you can nest them all. It's so fun. If you're a fan of the look and the design of the Louis Vuitton Kirigami set, but you don't want to spend that much money and you prefer lambskin, you prefer leather over canvas, this is so fun. Check out the Dream collection, and also check out, under the Dream collection, check out the new iridescent white. It looks so, so pretty. So wanted to show you those. That's it for today. Really quick video. I have the link and promo code down below in my description box. So if you like to shop, then go head over so you can save some money with my promo code. And if you have any questions, let me know down below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.